Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our 2023 Grady-White 236 Fisherman. This boat is here in our showroom. We'll take a look at the hull, then we'll go inside and I'll show you how we option this boat. This boat does have the coastal fog hull. It's full gel coat the whole way. We have matched the underside of the hard top to it. You can see the full windshield. Let's go inside and take a look. As you can see, we brought this boat in with the Yamaha F300. It does have a transom door, boarding ladder. This boat does have storage in the back. It's good for bumpers. A beach anchor. There's your live well, your fish box. We did option this with the ski pole. There's your leaning post with storage under it. Rod holders. This boat does have the tilt helm, your trim tabs. Boat has a fusion stereo. Look at your windshield. It does have the seat in the back. Forward seating with the backrests. Your pop-up cleats, rod holders. Take a look at the seating in front of the helm. It does have a cooler under it. Your hard top. It is a plumb porta potty. Boat is here in our showroom. It is available for this season. Give us a call. Come see us. We're here. Thank you.